In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pixel ID to Webflow. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in Webflow, to connect the app you'll use to manage your Pixel ID, how to review what the app does, what access it needs, and how to install it on your site. This is a great way to prepare your project for conversion tracking and analytics without touching a lot of custom code. Start by opening your Webflow project in the Designer. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have the right permissions to install apps on the site. Once your canvas loads, look to the left-hand toolbar for the Apps area. Click the Apps icon to open the Apps panel, then proceed into the Webflow app marketplace. If you don't immediately see the search field, click into the Marketplace view so you can search across available apps. In the Marketplace, place your cursor in the search bar and type the name of the tool we're going to use, Pixl Apps Collection Admin. As you type, you should see it appear in the results. Click the result to open it, and then choose the option to open the full listing. This takes you to the app's dedicated page, where you can dig into the details before installing. On the app page, switch to the Description tab to get an overview of what the app offers and how it integrates with Webflow. This context helps you confirm it's the right fit for adding and managing your Pixel ID setup. Next, move to the Permissions tab. Review the access the app requests so you understand what parts of your site it will read or update. If anything isn't clear, this is a good time to double-check that the requested permissions align with what you expect from a Pixel or tracking integration. When you're comfortable with the description and permissions, click Install on Site. If you manage multiple projects, make sure you're targeting the correct site. Approve the installation when prompted. After the installation completes, the app will be available within your project, and that's where you'll paste or configure your Pixel ID as directed by the app's interface. A few quick tips before you wrap up. Keep your browser pop-up blocker off during installation so authorization screens can open. Be sure you're logged into the correct Webflow account and workspace, and after setup, publish your site to push any integration changes live. For verification later, you can use your platform's event testing tools or a browser extension to confirm the Pixel is firing as expected. That's it. You opened your project, found the app in the marketplace,